It is said, man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. We stand before you, sir, today after several oceans discovered. This journey of over 9 months has been transformational in all aspects of our lives. Every day, we were encouraged to challenge ourselves and to go beyond our potential. Every training activity, which seemed daunting at first, was surmounted by our rigor and enthusiasm. The long working hours taught us to remain patient in the face of adversity. In this era of technological progress, where crime and its nature has become increasingly complex, we have been equipped with the best of knowledge about the technical aspects of investigation. However, we have also learned that when it comes to crime intelligence and maintenance of law and order, the core policing has no substitute. We have been told about the evolving nature of the role of police in the society and how police today has to function in the role of a facilitator. The concept of community policing was introduced to us through several field level examples. We have realized, sir, that policing cannot be done in isolation by remaining cut off from the society. Robert Peel's words that public is police and police is public has been well understood and internalized by us. The core idea behind the concept of community policing is that people are the best judge of their desires and needs. We have also been given practical tips on how our efforts to get closer to the public in times of peace shall reward us by eliciting their support in times of unrest. Sir, I am confident that the skills that we have acquired shall go a long way in helping us fostering public police partnership and mutual trust. Jain, sir. Now may I request my fellow probationer Shrey Vats to share his experiences regarding training.
Good evening, sir. I am Shrey Vats from the Manipur cadre. Sir, one of the most educative experiences in training was the model police station. In this, we probationers assumed the role of different personnel in a police station and carry its functioning for a day. Sir, we got first-hand insight into the intricacies of police station management. We understood the basics like registration of complaints, approaching the scene of crime, and collecting evidence. We got acquainted with the processes of search, seizure, arrest, and recording of witnesses, which are integral to day-to-day policing. Sir, we learnt about investigation into different types of crimes, including hit-and-run cases and dowry deaths. In one of the scenarios, we had to handle an agitating crowd, which gave us an exposure into crowd control and managing public order. Apart from this, we held counseling sessions which made us realize the social role of police, which includes re-establishing amity amongst estranged people and providing guidance to the vulnerable. The night patrolling exercises made us understand the need to be vigilant at all times. It, sir, also made us appreciate the immense hard work that our subordinate officers put in. Sir, the model police station has deepened our understanding of the functioning of police stations. Over the next 6 months, we shall be serving as officers in charge of police stations across our respective cadres. This practical module has familiarized as well as prepared us for that responsibility. It has also enabled us to meditate on ways to make police stations more efficient and citizen-friendly. Thank you. Sir, with your permission, I would like to invite my fellow probationer, Diksha Sharma, to share her experiences about the training.
माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय, मेरा नाम दीक्षा शर्मा है और मैं उत्तर प्रदेश कैडर से हूँ। आज मैं बहुत ही गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रही हूँ कि ऐसी विशेष सभा में आप सभी के सामने मुझे